So landing on Teams, how many people are going to be involved in this meeting? Is it a meeting that you need to schedule? Or is it a meeting that you want to have immediately? How do you confirm who's available and who's not available depending on their calendar? So those are the kind of things that you want to do. So if you've got a Teams channel where all the people that should be involved in the meeting is, you can navigate to that Teams channel. So for example, this is a Teams workspace. I'm going to go to the general channel. This general channel has got some members. If I want to schedule a meeting with all the members of this group or of this channel, all I need to do is click on this drop down, and then I can either decide to meet now. So if there's an urgent thing that we want to talk about, or if there's something that we want to discuss immediately, I can either decide to meet now or schedule a meeting. If I click on this meet now, it's basically going to call everyone in that group. So allow that. Yeah, so I can name the meeting and then I can start this meeting. So everyone in that group or that channel would receive a phone call and they can join this meeting. Another thing I can do is I can also add extra participants to this meeting. So if there's anyone that isn't in the channel or group, I can decide to add them by clicking the add participant and typing in their name. So if I type in, for example, Yemi, I can add Yemi to this meeting and I can request them to join. So he's going to get a Teams call on either his computer or his mobile device if he's got Teams installed on his mobile device, and he can join. I can also copy this meeting URL and share with people if I want to do that manually. So I can go to my email and then just say, click on new email, send this to Gilbert. Paste that in there and send this directly to Gilbert. And Gilbert would get that URL and he can use that to join the meeting.